So we started with this activity. Now I hope you can be able to identify the functions of the that has been underlined in this sentence. Ndiri sabato ndi malaya zomwe ndinapatsidwa ndi bambo anga. I have shoe and shirt which were given to me by my father. So, what do you think are the functions of the name that has been underlined in this sentence? You can comment, you can send your answers in the comment section. Thank you so much. Let's see you again. Let's meet again in the next video. Bye-bye.